guys, Vanakkam, Vandanam, Namaste. Welcome to GTH. Today I'll be showing the marking and cutting of balloon top. This is part 1. The next video of stitching will be updated soon. Before that, if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and click the bell icon for notification. Let's get into the video. For the balloon top, I'm using this Georgette material. We can use any flowy material like Georgette or rayon. As it is difficult to mark measurements in the Georgette material, I am using this cotton fabric for the marking. The piece twice by width. This is the open edge and this is the folded side. Length from shoulder to waist is 15 inch and adding 1 inch seam allowance, it's 16 inches. For shoulder, take half of the shoulder width. In this measurement, shoulder is 15 inch and I am taking half of it. And drawing the armhole line with 7.5. Let's mark the chest width now. For the chest width, we have to add 4 to the chest round and divide it by 4. In this measurement, chest round is 38, so 38 plus 4 is equal to 42. Dividing it by 4, I'll get 10.5 as chest width. I'm marking 10.5 here. Draw 1 inch diagonal line at the edge of armhole line and draw an armhole curve here. And make sure it is half of your arm. For waist, add 3 inch of ease to the waist round and divide it by 4. Here waist round is 35, so 35 plus 3 is equal to 38 and dividing it by 4, I'll get 9.5 as waist. Let's join the edges together. I'm adding 1 inch of seam allowance to it. You can also make it 1.5. Mark 3 inches for the neck width. For the shoulder slope, mark half inch downward and join it with the neck width. Now let's cut along the marks. By cutting this, we will get 2 pieces, front and back. Now I am marking for the front part. Mark 6 inches from the folded edge for the pleats and draw a line from top to bottom. And take this line as center. Taking the line as center, I am keeping the lining fabric on my material. For the hip length, mark 6 inches from the waist point. For the hips, you can see the formula on the left side of my video. As per the formula, I am marking 11.5 as the hip width. Now mark 1 inch of seam allowance and draw a line from waist to bottom. I am tracing along the sides of my lining material, after which I will cut it. As there are no pleats on the back side, I am keeping the lining material along the folded edge. I am doing the same procedures as I did for the front part. And now I am cutting it. That's it for the video. If you really enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share and comment. I'll be posting more videos soon. So please stay tuned. Bye bye.